Hey guys, I'm Coach Ty with MuscleWiki. This is Andrea. We're going to be taking you through the Pallof Press. Now, the Pallof Press is one of the best oblique exercises you can do because it takes advantage of the anatomy of the obliques. Now, as I've said with the side plank, with the plank, the muscles of your core, they want to keep you upright. So your obliques specifically, they keep you from laterally flexing too far one direction or, in the case of this move, rotating. They do that to keep your spine in a safe and neutral position. So they want to try to prevent movement instead of necessarily inducing movement. So that's why we use side planks and this Pallof press that I'm about to show you. So the setup for the Pallof press. Where or how do you know how high to get this cable? Essentially, you need a straight line when you extend your elbows on the exercise. So go ahead and grab that for me. And then take a step out. Now look at this line here. The good thing about cable exercises is you get a clear view of what the line of resistance is on the exercise. So on a Pallof press, you want a straight line from where the cable starts all the way to your fists. Now that we have our straight line and we're in position, we're ready to start the movement. We want fingers interlocked. We want a tall chest. Imagine you have a logo on your chest. Show that logo off, whether it's your favorite band, sports team, whatever it might be. And then from there, it's very simple. You're just gonna press the cable handle away from your body, fully extend your elbows, hold for one count, and then you're gonna bring the attachment back to your chest. And extend again. Let's knock out a few of these. So the key to this exercise is, again, preventing rotation. So when you get out to this point, when the weight is heavy enough, you should feel your obliques working really hard to keep you upright. So we want to spend a little extra time in that fully extended position before we bring the cable attachment back in. So make sure you hold for one count out here. That's where your bread is buttered, so to speak, and then resting. Okay, let's do two more of these. Preventing rotation, nice and stable, toes forward, hips and shoulders even. Let's make that the last one, and done. And then you can rotate to bring the cable attachment back. And you're all done. That's the Pallof press. Thank you guys for listening as always, and we'll see you with the next one. Peace.
All right, so we got a couple extra form tips here. First, interlocking your fingers. This is the easiest way to hold the cable attachment. You can also go fingers over the other fingers. Either way is okay. And number two, make sure your toes are forward. We're trying to get your torso as square and stable as possible. Moving on to our do nots. So first is rotating. So you see Andrea pressing the attachment away and then slightly rotating towards the cable stack. So make sure, again, we're trying to stay as square as possible. You can see her core flexing really hard when she extends her elbows all the way. That's what we're looking for. So try to keep the rotation out of it. Number two, cable being too low. This is pretty straightforward. As I said a little bit earlier, we want a straight line from the cable attachment to your fists when your elbows are extended. So clearly this cable is at a 45-degree angle, so it is too low. We want to be a little higher than that. And the inverse problem, cable being too high. Same exact thing. We've got a 45-degree angle, and you can also see me pressing downward because of that. We want to press straight out in front, and again, have a straight line from your fist to the cable stack. And that's it for the Pallof press. Hope that helps, guys. Please let us know what you want to hear from us next. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Be safe.